show you what I decided to do with this. Just unscrew the knob, pop it on, screw it back. Okay, and they're done. I'm having different, ideas, so I have this, and I'm just going to stack them. I'm going to stack the rings, on top of one another. Now, depending on what you're going to use yours for, then that's how high you stack them. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use mine for. Make sure you have a bottom for it, and I'm going to show you what I used. I used the biggest part of the Dollar Tree furniture movers, and when you take it out, you just break it apart. You take your ring from the Dollar Tree, and you hot glue it under there. So now, once I finish, doing my makeup, I know I need to wash these brushes. I know that this is the designated cup that can sit right on my station and match everything.